I highly recommend adding the plus 40% current hack. To do that, you have to add it inside of the MCM. So the first thing I've done is I've unplugged the MCM-E connector. This is a high voltage connector. We don't want high voltage in here. I also have the switch off, of course. And then I'm going to remove these 4 screws. And then you remove the cover. And this MCM does not have the plus 40% PCB installed, whereas this one does. So you can see that it installs right here. It's this purple PCB. It has 8 little switches on here, and it has instructions on what to do. I recommend the plus 40% current hack. This PCB will do 0, 20, 40, and 60%. 60% is not supported by LiBCM. In fact, it will not work. This PCB is not included with the LiBCM kit because it's a separate product that's sold by Bulldog on Insight Central. Once you've installed this PCB, that's all you have to do on the hardware side. And then on the firmware side, LiBCM can do its half of the current hack just in firmware. So there's just an option you enable in the config file that will give you the plus 40% current. It's a lot of fun. I strongly recommend it. It makes the car quite a bit more zippy.